What is the best way to review a lot of notes? Imagine trying to remember a huge pile of information. It can feel overwhelming, right? But there are proven ways to make reviewing notes easier and more effective. Let's explore some simple, practical strategies to handle large amounts of notes without losing your mind. First, start by organizing your notes clearly. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break down topics into smaller parts. This makes it easier to find specific information later. If your notes are messy, spend some time tidying them up. Summarize each section into key questions or main ideas. This helps you focus on the most important points. One of the best methods is the Cornell note-taking system. Divide your page into 3 sections, one for notes, one for questions or keywords, and a small space at the bottom for a summary. After class, write questions or keywords in the margin. When reviewing, cover your notes and try to answer the questions from memory. This active recall makes your brain work harder and helps you remember better. Another useful approach is the question, evidence, and conclusion method. Turn each main idea into a question. Write down the conclusion or answer, then list the supporting evidence. When reviewing, hide the answer and evidence and try to recall them based on the question. Say your answers out loud as if explaining to someone else. If you can do that clearly, you probably understand the material well. If not, review that part again. Visual tools like mind maps, diagrams, and flowcharts are also great. They help you see how ideas connect and make complex information easier to remember. Using different colors for key points can also boost your memory. Spaced repetition is another powerful technique. Review your notes shortly after class, then again after a few days, and regularly throughout the semester. This helps move information from short-term to long-term memory. Testing yourself is one of the most effective ways to review. Turn your notes into flashcards or quiz questions. Practice answering them without looking. This reveals what you know and what you need to review more. Finally, make your review sessions fun and varied. Change your environment, try writing, speaking, or drawing your notes, and take short breaks. The more actively you engage with your notes, the better you will remember and understand the material. So, next time you have a lot of notes to review, try these methods. They will help you stay organized, retain more information, and make studying less stressful.